Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. Today is actually a Monday, and I've just closed out some few trades. Then I remember that I haven't given you guys an update on my trades for gold and silver and Euro USD that we had last week. So this is just a follow-up or concerning what I'm doing. My bias at the moment is on silver going down. Um my bias is on silver going down, so actually we've come to the $22 mark there. So I will see. So remember last time I had a trade that I entered here, and I actually began trailing that trade, but then I was taken out by this candle. I think it took me out somewhere here. I had closed, like in the previous video, I had actually closed several of those trades, and actually was left with one trade that I was just playing with. So that trade actually got taken out somewhere around here. Then I just decided to just wait it out to see what's going to happen here. Are we going to push back up, or are we going to still go down? But my bias has been overally on the downside, bearish bias. Of course, in the market, you don't want to like shut yourself on one idea. That's how I see people losing money in trading. People become so confident that it's going to drop, and then they risk everything on a drop. Whereas in the markets, of course, you might have your bias, but you must have a room for the market doing something else that you did not expect. So that's what happened here. So basically, I had expected the silver to drop down here and open a new candle here and continue what to ooze down, but look what it did. It just spiked here and it took me out of that trade that was remaining. So then he started playing around, and I decided, let me just wait and see what happens. Then it broke through again. And that's when it printed this candle. The moment I saw this week on this candle, I knew time to sell. Then I sold several trades. I've closed out several of them, and I'm left with only one. And this happened on Friday, I think. This happened on Friday. This is 4 hourly time frame. So I actually sold on Friday, and this is what I am on today. I was aiming for this $22 mark, and the moment we reached it, I closed out part of those trades, and I'm left with one. So we'll see. I think my if we drop down, my next target will be somewhere around 2160 here. And because I'm always also looking at what was happening left, always pay attention to what has been happening on the left side. Then if we go past that, then I know definitely we were going to come down to the $21 mark there, and we'll see how it goes. So we just pay attention on silver, and hopefully we can drop down and make some money. I'll be looking for more opportunities again to enter some sales. If they present themselves, I'll sell. If they don't, well, I'll just see what this trade manages to do. Let's just see what happened on gold. So again, on gold, I had that single trade that I was maintaining. I think I got taken out around here as well, with the trailing stop loss. So I think I got taken out around here with that single trade that I was maintaining. And then I actually missed this whole move. I would have wanted to get into this whole move, but I missed it. So I only entered after this week here at this candle. That's when I got back to my charts, and I decided to just sell. So it has been just been playing around, but hopefully see we can come down to the 1925 level there. If we can come down to the 1925 level there, that will be good. As I also look left, I can see this will be a very interesting level. So 1925, that will be a good one. Then if we go past that, the immediate one that I'll be looking at is 1910. That will be an immediate one that I'll be looking at, and yeah, we'll see if it wants to come down here, but my immediate my focus is on 1910. That gold might be coming to 1910, but again, I don't have the crystal ball of trading, so the market is free to do whatever the market wants to do. So take this not as trading signals, take it as entertainment. Again, I'm not a registered financial advisor and stuff like that, you know what they say. So take this with a pinch of salt, and remember, the market is the market. It does what it wants. Whether you have got a bias for that or you have got a bias for this, the market does what it wants. But yeah, my focus is on gold dropping down to around the 1910 level there. If it continues going down, then probably 1900. Then probably 1900. But 1910, probably I'll be start debating closing this position altogether. When we move around here, I'm going to start trailing it. That's how I do. So yeah, somebody's wondering where is my stop loss. It's mental. My stop loss is mental. I know it's somewhere around here. It's a mental stop loss. Sometimes the market will jump here, and the moment it takes you out, it drops. So I use mental stop losses. I know when to get out if the trades start moving against me. So I use mental stop losses. Then once the trade has moved a certain distance, then I can start trailing it. Euro USD, let's just see what has been happening on Euro USD. So again, Euro USD, I think I got taken out by this candle also, but I decided not to pay attention to Euro USD. But I think there is an opportunity with this candle here. There is an opportunity to still come down to here. But like I said in my previous videos, you can see how much you can make in silver and gold. These are standard lots, and when you enter these standard lots on normal forex pairs, there will be something like $50, $100 and stuff like that. So for the same amount of effort, or for the same type of effort that you put on normal forex pairs, you can actually make more money on gold and silver. So if you are really good with what you're doing and your strategies are really good, by the way, this system that you are looking at here, I've done several videos on this channel already. You can also use the links in the description box below to go and download it for yourself, and then you can tweak it and change it to the settings that you want. I've given everything here for free. This is my own creation, so I'm giving it out for free, and you can use it as you want it. If you don't like the settings that I have, I've done several videos showing you the settings that I have on the system, so feel free to look for those. If you don't like those ones, you can easily go and tweak this to suit your own trading style. Okay, so yeah, so this is what I'm looking at. I haven't been trading NAS 100 in a long time, but I'm not going there. So yeah, gold and silver is what you should probably be focusing on if you've mastered the normal forex pairs. So the same effort that you are using to trade normal forex pairs for a somewhat lesser reward, you can shift that effort and use it to trade gold and silver, and you can basically make more money with the same amount of effort. Guys, if you are new to this channel, feel free to subscribe, leave your comments, your thoughts. You're trading silver and gold. Are you trading silver and gold? Leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. Hopefully we can break down from this $22 level on silver and make some more money. And on gold, hopefully we continue pushing down to around 1925 level there, and obviously 1910 level there. Then I'll be a happy person. But yeah, so just to give you an idea of the trades that I'm in and what has been happening, so this is it. Otherwise guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye.